Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial how to make PowerPoint countdown timer. Let's get started by open the PowerPoint and I want to show you how you can make this. This is like a time countdown. Sorry. And let's see the preview like this 5 and then 4 and so on. So all you have to do right now is delete the title and delete the text box here and make a background by format the background first, and then you can choose the solid fill and the color. You can choose maybe black or up to you, and let's add the different one, the green here. And then after that you can make a shape here. So let's get back by insert shape, a circle or oval shape, it's up to you, and draw the shape here, make and put in this in the middle like this, and then duplicate by copy and then pass, and try the different color but smaller, and try put in the middle, and let make it the same with the background, the green, and adjust the size here to make it a clean perfect size, and then add text here, and you can put in here like 5, and make size here bigger better like this 5, and the color is up to you, you wanna turn on green. So let's make animation right now. So this is the animation. You can click the circle, and the animation is try to search the a wheel here, the preview like this, and also the 5, the a the number, the animation will be fade like this, and then copy. Let's make another number, copy and pass, keep source formatting here, so to make it a to shorter the time 4 like this, and then put in the middle, and done. So let's see the preview. Let's click animation and tap or click the preview here. So this is failed, so you have to adjust the time here. You can a put or adjust the time in here, duration, delay, the animation here. So if you're done, it will like this. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. See you in the next